And you have observed when we go to negotiations as developing countries, we are always below par. Our colleagues in the developed world come with well-researched ideas, and they know the consequences of the decisions they make.
That lack of capacity in policy research, especially when it comes to high-level trade negotiations, is what COMESA is looking to bridge in order to facilitate sustainable industrialization in the trade bloc.
Kenya has been applying for the sugar safeguards in COMESA, and during our summit meeting in Kinshasa, it was clear that was the last safeguard that Kenya was going to get. But through the assistance of this project, we were able to undertake a study focusing on the competitiveness on the sugar sector in the COMESA region, which clearly proved that Kenya did not have a comparative advantage in the production of sugar, and therefore it justified why Kenya needed a safeguard.
The 19-member trade bloc is now undertaking a policy research targeting to boost trade in services. Despite being an economic bloc, services sector, which accounts for more than 50% of GDP and only 10% in intra-COMESA trade, has largely been concentrated in individual member states.
When it comes to key commodity exports and relating to the country, it's also one major barrier because of protection. Countries want to protect the tariffs, and these are the major constituting. And then across the barriers, the free movement of goods and services.
Through the research project funded at a tune of 300 million shillings, with aim of building capacity in the private sector, the target is set in industries such as financial, transport, ICT, and tourism to encourage investments for sustainable industrialization.
We finished the first round of negotiations in these sectors, meaning that investors in COMESA and those from outside COMESA can actually come and invest into these sectors in our COMESA countries. And when they invest into these sectors, they get the entire COMESA market.
Already, 200 policymakers have been trained in policy research for policy making. Further, COMESA is also set to establish a virtual university linking all universities in order to help in research development and policy research. The outcome of the forum will be taken to COMESA Technical Committee before being presented to the Council of Ministers for a final input, after which it will be presented to the heads of state for adoption. Ronald Willie, News Hour Business.